How to fix disable accounts cannot be contacted problem on Instagram. So if you want to fix disable accounts cannot be contacted on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with the messages section. Now here, for example, if you want to fix this account, if it says disable accounts can't be contacted, then what you need to do is just simply go with the profile of that person. From the profile, go with the three dots which is on the right side and then tap on restrict, and again tap on restrict which is on the bottom. After restricting the account, you need to go back, go with your profile. From the profile, go with the upper right which has that three horizontal line, and from here you need to scroll down and find restricted accounts. Tap on restricted, tap on next, tap on unrestrict, and after unrestricting, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't work, then the second solution is to block and unblock. So once block that person and then again go with the block section and then unblock it, and after unblocking you can send a message and your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to just go back to your messages and delete the chat. So tap on delete. After deleting the chat, you can go with search again, and from here you can search for that person again and send a message and your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.